In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Control-C's not working in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first method that you can do is restart your computer. So how we can do so, navigate to the start icon, go with your power menu and click on restart. So there are some instances or cases that the moment you restart your PC, you would be able to fix the problem because some of the keys would be refreshed here or the setting will be refreshed. So just have to restart the PC and check if your control C is not working. However, if not, then you need to move on to the second method. The second method would be here at the bottom search bar here, type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, which is a command prompt system. All you need to do is you need to click on Run as Administrator. The moment you click on it, your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can give permission on running this command prompt as administrator. Here, please make a right click and go with this option called properties. And the moment you have bring up the properties, ensure that this enable control key shortcut is being turned on. And once you do so, click on OK and check if your control C is not working. However, if not, then proceed to the third method. The third method would be you need to navigate at the start icon. Please make a right click, scroll up, and click on the device manager. Eventually, you would be able to bring up a window like this, where here you need to navigate to the option called keyboards, and here click on this forward arrow and select your keyboard driver. From here, please make a right click and go with this update driver. So it will ask you to choose two options. Please proceed to the search automatically for drivers. And if your machine says that the best drivers for your device is already installed, close the window, do the same action that is to make a right click, go with update driver, but this time you need to browse your your computer for drivers manually and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers in your computer. And once you have seen a model or a compatible hardware that is being attached here in the box under the model, click on next to install it. The moment you've installed it, restart the computer and check if your control C is not working. However, if not, then we need to move on to our fourth method. Our fourth method would be we need to uninstall or reinstall our keyboard driver. How we can do so? At the start icon again, please make a right click, scroll up, and click on this option called Device Manager. So from here, you just have to navigate to the keyboards once again. Click on this forward arrow, navigate to the keyboard driver, and please make a right click and go with uninstall device. Yes, we need to uninstall device that, but that doesn't mean that we can no longer use that. Yes, we can still use that because the moment you've uninstalled that, you just have to restart your computer. You would be redirected to the restarting of your machine. Just restart it, and the moment you've restarted it, it will automatically install again the moment you relaunch your Windows again. In that way, you would be able to fix the problem. So check if your control C is not working. Okay? So those are the very important steps on how to fix control C's not working in your Windows 11 keyboard. If those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.